Hey, it's Marissa with Rissa J Photography, and in this video, I will be walking you through how to access your online gallery and ultimately download your photos. So the first thing you're going to do is click the View My Gallery link, and that will take you directly to your gallery. And if you again click this Open Gallery link here, you'll see all of your beautiful photos from your gallery. And so the first thing that I usually recommend is clicking the first image and then just start to go through each photo. And if you like the photo, you will select that favorites icon at the bottom of each image, as you can see here. And so I'm just going through, seeing which ones that I really like, and you would continue to do that all the way until you get to the very end of your images. So once you're done, you're going to scroll back up to the top and you should see an icon that says credit available. So you're going to select that. And from here, you see that there are a number of boxes, and those boxes represent the number of images you will be able to download based on the collection that you purchased. Now from here, you're just going to start adding your photos by clicking the box and then checking that show faves icon at the top right, and this will display all of the images that you favorited during your first round of viewing. And from there, you're pretty much just going to continue doing the same process of clicking that empty box, selecting your image that you want to download, and you'll continue doing that until you reach your maximum number of images that are included in your collection. All right, so once you're done selecting your photos, you're gonna hit that submit button at the bottom right, and then it's just gonna give you a notification saying that your download is ready. And then from here, you are going to first add your email address. As you can see, it will not let you continue until you add your email. And then once you do that, you're gonna just check that request download button. And then from here, it should take about a minute or two, and then you'll eventually receive an email that looks like this, just letting you know that you are ready to download your images. And you'll just select that download button there. And from there, it will drop a zip folder with the images that you originally selected.